going no silver. Ooh, you only lose the gold. You push with the fever. Oh, your time keeps going on. Against all the odds, against all your pain.
What the? Why now? I don't know. I think it's magic. I'm starting to think of this being in world. That's not baloney. Yeah, I'm starting to think right. As scientists, I don't know something. Yeah, oh, that's so I mean, Don't get him. Peter, why'd you do that? I don't know. What am I gonna do? Jeez. Simon, if you're like me, I will find an entrance to this sand world. What's probably in here? Wow, where are we? I don't know. Excuse me, Fanny. Seriously, I don't know. Maybe it's just the hidden world. What the? How's the lion hidden world? What the? What was that? I don't know. Are you serious? That was just seriously filling this lab. Wait, there it is again. You know, I was about to say that. Never mind, Theodore. Let's just... I'll be right back. I gotta see where we are. I see a dark area over there, but I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. How is it dark again? Alvin? Oh my gosh! They took Simon! Not Simon, Alvin! Jeez, Simon's my name, jeez. So, where do you think he went? Amy? Why is it dark again? Amy? Let's just find a way out here before it takes one of us. Simon! Wait, it's up to me. I gotta go before the light goes out again. We must be in Halloween world. It's just me alone. What was that? I'm just gonna ignore that right now. That might be in puzzle. Maybe if I touch on save that more time. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, maybe I did one wrong word. Maybe I need to do pumpkin, 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 skull, skull, skull. That was seriously freaky. Alright. Ding, 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 ding. Well, I have more time now. Why do I keep hearing that sound? Really? Yes. That's all the way. Which way? Hooray! Well, crap, I'm just actually dark now. I gotta find out when Simon. There's no way wrong now. Where the crap did you come from? I'm here for ages, just because I found a creepy toy. You mean the one that looks like Alan? Yes. Wow. Whoever finds him gets the end over here. Right? I like the distortion world. What's the distortion world? It's in Pokemon. Oh. Hey, wanna help me find Alan and Simon? Sorry, dude. I've been exploring this thing quite a bit, and every single time you hear screams, you'll know that somebody's gonna be taken away. Oh, crap! It's dark again. I wonder who's gonna be taken this time. I know I'm not taken away. Hello? Oh, crap! We've been taken away! It's up to me again. Okay, it's not listening! It's not listening! I got my help. What is that? That person is actually saving me once. But what's been taken? What is? Oh my freaking god, that was weird. Maybe that's how my butt's disappeared. But this isn't the part that isn't. Wait a minute. How is it there again? I guess it's a never disappearing pumpkin. It's a mystery. To be continued.